Hello and welcome to a fresh video on Excel tips. In one of our earlier video, we have learned if there is a line break in our Excel data, then how to remove the line break using find and replace option. After watching that video, I have received the query from some of the user what to do if we have to do the reverse activity. That means we have the data in multiple columns and we have to club the data into single column and we have to add the line break also. Let's see how to resolve this query. Here I have a data of an address where I have the data in 4 different columns. In column 1, address line 1, column 2 is address line 2, C is the city column and D is the pin code. Now I want to merge this entire information in column E and I want to add the line break also. That means after the address line 1 there should be a line break, then the address line 2, then again line break, then city and again line break, and after that it should be pin code. So if you are an Office 365 user or you are using Excel 2019, then it is a very easy to you to solve this issue. There is a formula which is recently introduced by Microsoft. The formula is TextJoin. Now this formula is an advanced version of concat formula, where you will be allowed to give a delimiter also and you can decide whether to include the empty cell or not while joining the text. So let's see how to use this one. So I'll apply text join. Here I want to add the delimiter as the special character of line break. To add that one, we have to apply a second formula as a character formula, and character number 10 is a special character for line break. Now in this case I want to ignore the empty cell while joining the text and I'll select the entire range here which I want to join. This is how we can do this one. I'll copy this one to this last row. Now you can see my text has been joined, but it is not coming in the form of line break data. To do this one, you have to apply a wrap text option here. Once you enable this one, you can see your data is joined and line break is also inserted. That's it in this video. I hope you'll find this useful. Thank you and have a nice day.